and today I'm just going to show you a little surprise. You might see me wearing some green string. Well, that means, well, ta-da! I got an ocarina. You might have seen one of my videos, and I was saying at the end of the video that I would get it maybe this Thursday, but nope, I got it today. La 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 la. This might be loud, so turn down your volume, please. This is a warning. Warning. Loud. Okay. Yeah, you see how that's loud. So, yeah, I got my ocarina. This is a 12-hole alto ocarina. You see it has the little Triforce symbol right here. It has 12 holes. You see, I can't even count the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can't even see. God dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You might see only 10 on that side, but turn it around, and you got 1 and 2. So 10 plus 2, well, you already know that, 12. So, yeah, bye guys.